welcome to whiskey.com, where fine spirits meet. And today we have another gin on my cask. And you might remember this gin from a few gin cocktails that I've already made. Yeah. Today we're gonna have a deeper look at what the gin really is, what the essence of it is, and what kind of flavors we have in this gin. First of all, it's Canaima small batch, so they're doing it in small batches. And it's a South American gin. South American because it comes from the Amazon River. It's Amazonian gin, or as the locals call it, ginebra. Ginebra? Not quite sure. My Portuguese or South American is not that good. It has 47% ABV and it is made not just from the normal substances, botanicals, but also there are fruits added into it, and they are really South American fruits. Acai, seiche, mere, which is the essence of the leaves of a cashew nut tree. And I've actually had a look for these ingredients and only could find the aja or acai, not aja, acai. Let's have a try. So it's supposed to be more fruity than normal. And here on this leaflet here we see the different fruits and botanicals going into that, and the acai is kind of a berry. So immediately in the nose is the gin flavor, the Geneva, and then we have a lot of botanicals. It's botanicals. A little bit of a fruit flavor, although it's not berries. It's very fresh and citrusy. Nice. And 47% ABV. You don't feel them that much. Don't have an alcoholic note in there. Oh, very round, very sweet. Just as you swallow it, the sweetness is released. And here comes the botanicals, together with a sweet lemon. So it's really like lemon candy or lemonade. And as it fades out, you really get that Geneva. And not that fruity as in berries and tropical fruits. It's a nice one. Here and there, if you have a second sip, you realize it's a bit of a stronger feeling, a bit of a more intense one. Let's have a try how it goes with the. Let's try the acai first. So the acai was the berry that went into it. Didn't find any berries in there. Oh, there's a lot of berry in there. Last time I had a bit too much of the tonic, so I'm going a bit easy on the tonic here. Canaima really profits from less tonic. It looks big, but it's really slippery. You can still feel all the herbs coming out. It really suppressed a little bit of the sweetness, and guys, just herbs in the smell. Probably the herbs are the lightest, and now that it's cool, only the herbs can escape. Oh. Now it's much more of a gin body with a bit of tonic on its side. I really made myself a strong gin tonic, and it's really a strong drink. A lot of herbs, a little bit of citrus, not much of the sweetness going on, and complemented by the bitterness of the tonic. So if you want a not so sweet one, go for a less sweet tonic also, and add a lot of the Canaima. That really comes out less sweet. Although the gin pure was relatively sweet. It's a bit strange. But with mixing, 1 + 1 does not always equal 2. Really doesn't feel like there's any sugar in there, although it is. I like it. It's a wonderful gin. Has a lot of variations, had a lot of sides, and a lot of potential for combining. This is just one tonic water I combined with this gin. You can do a lot more with different tonic waters and different proportions you can do your gin tonic. So there's a lot of fun you can have with this gin, and I like it. But overall, what's left in the long-term finish is a lot of botanicals. I still feel the botanicals. Everything else long gone, but there's still the botanicals going on. Okay, that was it. A deeper look into the Canaima gin. If you like this, then please feel free to share this with your friends, and see you next time.